Hi guys, and welcome back to Hungry Forever Bangalore. I'm Christina, and today we're here at Starbucks, where they are really getting into the Christmas spirit with some amazing F&B, and we can't wait to see what they've got in store for us. They've also got some super cool merchandise, so head on down and get into the festive spirit here at Starbucks.
So hello, my name is Adrit. So today we will be discussing or talking more about our Christmas selections or the Christmas collection. This is the three beverages which we have launched. We have the Holiday French Vanilla Latte, we have the Red Hat Mocha, we have the Wishing Star Dark Mocha. Coming back to the Wishing Star Dark Mocha, it comes with signature dark chocolate, that's the dark mocha, combined again with a coffee and a little bit of sweetness with vanilla. Then it combines with our vanilla whipped cream and you get the star cereal on top, completing a finished drink to you. So you can visit any of the Starbucks nearby and please try these beverages. I'm sure you'll love them.
So we really enjoyed that Starbucks India is bringing more seasonal products to the country. Last year they brought the pumpkin spice latte and we really enjoyed that, and this year they're focusing on Christmas beverages. They've even brought the signature Starbucks takeaway cups to India. We really enjoyed the Holiday French Vanilla Latte along with the Wishing Star Mocha. It's super Instagrammable and you definitely have to try it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And we wish you all a very Merry Christmas from all of us at Hungry Forever.